Welcome back to the vlog. In today's video, it is the first real day of summer for 2026. Even though summer doesn't start until like Memorial Day weekend, I'm gonna say it starts now because today it's gonna get up to 79 degrees, and then for the next few days it's gonna go all the way up to probably like 90 something degrees. Today is going to be a big arts and crafts day, so I plan to decorate my house ready for summer, and we are going for a New England coastal vibe. I am in the season spirit right now. I'm wearing my new Hill House dress. This is the black gingham Ellie nap dress, and then I got the matching headband to go with it. I know it's a little extra, but just go with it. So anyways, this summer I am going to go on a New England road trip. So if you want to follow that, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn your notifications on so you're notified when that video comes out. But I'm excited because it is my first time going to Nantucket. I've never been to Nantucket, but I've heard of how beautiful it is, and I'm also going to check out Martha's Vineyard, and obviously Brody's coming along because Brody goes everywhere with me. So since I've been planning my trip, my For You page has been everything New England coastal, and I thought I would get my home in the just excitement of it all. So to get into the New England coastal theme, we're gonna get into our Nancy Meyers mode. I know I'm super basic right now, I'm going with the feed, but like just go along with it. We went from California girl to New York girl to Paris girl to now Martha Stewart. So I bought these on Amazon. I am first going to make a summer wreath. And you're probably wondering, like, what is a summer wreath? Well, it is what it sounds like. So we're going for really pretty blues because blues are a calming color. And I feel like when you live in New York, like you need all the calming that you can get. So I got this blue ribbon on Amazon and it's giving Bridgerton. And I'm going to put this on the top of the bow for the bow of the wreath. I'm going to add on this side of this video the original TikTok of where I found this inspiration from, because we do not give credit where credit's due. Okay, then the second thing that she told me to do was to get these napkins. You can get these at the dollar store. You can get them at Home Goods. I got them on Amazon because I live in New York City. So these are 4 different styles. But as you can see, they have the cutie little flowers on them that are blue. And then on the black, they have, is this blue gingham or is it plaid? I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think it is. But anyways, basically what you take is the first layer of this napkin, and you're going to take Mod Podge, because look what I bought. I got these seashells on Amazon, and after I got them, I was like, I could have just brought home oysters that I had at happy hour or something, but I don't know, is that trashy? Like, is that trashy to ask the waiter, like, hey, don't clear the plate because I'm going to keep the oysters for my Home Goods project? I feel like the waiter would judge me for that, but whatever. Anyways, so these come in this jar, and there's quite a lot of them, and they're in similar sizes, but they're all different shapes, and this is what it looks like. Hello? Why isn't it focusing? Okay, thank you. So as you can see, it's like that, but you're gonna have to just follow the vlog to get a full vibe. And then I don't want to get up because it's gonna ruin my filming position, but I am going to plant my first window box because I have a window that allows me to make window boxes. I didn't even know what window boxes were until I moved into my apartment here last summer, and I saw my neighbors go all out with their window boxes, and I had so much FOMO, and by the time that I wanted to do it, it was like already the tail end of summer. So guess what kind of flowers we're gonna do for the window box? Obviously we're gonna do hydrangeas, duh. And like, what color are we gonna get? Blue. So I got these blue hydrangeas on Home Depot. I know I'm so basic. They're from Endless Summer. And then I was on TikTok. I was on the gardening page, and they were like, okay, so you need 3 different types of flowers. You need a main, and then you need one that cascades, so it kind of hangs down from your window box. And then you need a second flower. It can be one that's secondary, like supporting the main flower, or it could be one that sticks up. Oh my God, main flower, like Mayflower. This is going all out. Anyways, so I am going to go to just like a local flower shop in my area, and I'm gonna try to go get these flowers because I was on Home Depot, not to support the large institutions, but they were like, you have to buy 6 of the sweet potato vines, which is the ones that cascade. I was like, I don't need 6 of them. I think I'm gonna start with 1 window box because you don't know this until you become older, but plants are really expensive. Like, one little sweet potato vine was $12, and then on Home Depot, $7.99 for one little sweet potato vine. And they're like this big. Okay. So like the really big ones, yeah. Like having plants is definitely a flex. It's a flex. So we're going to work on our flex, and I need to charge this camera. So I might film on my phone. I'm already 8 minutes in. Wow. Okay, let's go get this vlog going. Bye. Okay, guys, I got my window box. Let me show you. This is what it looks like, and it's gonna go in front of my window. So this is the vibe. This is the blue hydrangeas that I got. These are from Endless Summer, and you can get them at Home Depot. I know they sell them at like Costco, and you can get them on Amazon, but they're sold out on Amazon. I think this should be fine for my windowsill. This is the sweet potato vine. So for a window box, you want it to cascade. So this one is going to be the vine that cascades on the corner. This is going to be the center of the window box because remember I have 2 of these. And then this one coming up, I forget what this is called. It's called an Angelonia, and this one lasts like all spring and summer, and it's going to grow upward because the center of the window box is going to be my blue hydrangeas from Endless Summer. You can get these anywhere. Like I got them on Home Depot. This is the smaller size, but Costco I know has the really big ones, and you can get them on Amazon, but they're sold out in the blue. You can get them in the magenta, but it's like, who wants magenta? I want blue. And then I got a medium size of Black Gold all-purpose potting mix. He told me all I need to do is just put about 2 inches of soil at the bottom, and then I'm going to place the pots in here like after I make a little dip. So let's get started. Now we are working on the seashells. So we're taking the seashells and we are getting the napkins. If you open up the napkin, there's actually 2 different designs. One has the hydrangea on it, and then one has the blue flowers, and then the other one has platter gingham, whatever you want to call it. So I have already started one, as you can see. I took a seashell, and this was the first one that I did, so I don't think I did it right because I don't think I put enough of the glue adhesive on the seashell. And then, so what I did was, it was already wet because I cleaned the seashell, and then I put the napkin over it, and then I used my hand to put the mixture of Elmer's glue and water. I didn't want to buy Mod Podge because I already have Elmer's glue, and said on ChatGPT that you can just mix it with water to make Mod Podge. So I did that one. Then the second time that I did it, I have this brush that I use to do gel manicures sometimes, and I used it because I have like adhesive remover that I can use, and I did it on this one, which you can see, and it worked so much better when you first of all, I think it's best to not clean the seashell before, because if the seashell has a little bit of its residue on it, then it makes it easier for things to stick on it. I'll let you guys know. But yeah, I put a little bit of the adhesive on the bottom, and then I cut out a square, and I'm just brushing it along over it. I'm going to do a little bit on the corners because when this dries, I'm going to cut it off, and it would be a lot better. Okay, yeah. So, I'm doing that. Looks really good. I love arts and crafts, you guys. I think this is going to be my new hobby because this is so much fun, and I feel like I'm very much in the present moment when I'm doing arts and crafts. So here's that. It's my little seashell. I'm going to rotate. Some of these are going to have patterns. Some of them are not, because I think it looks cooler that way on the wreath. I bought the wreath from Amazon. I just got like a plain one, and the original creator did them all facing the same way, and she kind of had them like going outward at an 11, which I actually think it looks better if they're kind of like a little different. Personally, that's my taste, is I like it when some are turned in and some are turned out, so it's not all symmetrical. I got another coffee, and yeah, we're gonna get working on this art craft. I changed because I didn't want to get my nap dress dirty. We are now going to be working on the reef part. So this is the reef that I got. On the TikTok, she actually drills the seashells, but I'm like, that's doing too much. You can if you want, because there are these circles in there, so you drill them and then you get string and you wrap it there. I don't want to do that because I have Gorilla Glue, and Gorilla Glue saves the day. So here's the thing. She originally made the bow at the top, but I was thinking about potentially wrapping it around because I feel like that will make it look a little more luxe. And then also, I mean, like, why not? Like, I bought this whole thing of ribbon, so let's try this out. The only fear that I have is that if I put the ribbon on now, then the shells are going to be glued onto the ribbon, so that might be dragging the ribbon down, but we'll see. Let's just try this out. This is the Gorilla Glue. We're going to put it right over here where like the row ends.